Hey everyone, welcome back to Name. Today we're diving into a very unique product that's all about ambiance and style, the Desidia 3D 7-color changing moon night lamp. Perfect for bedrooms, living rooms, or even as a gift. This lamp has a lot to offer. Let's break it down. Alright, so let's talk about the basics. This lamp has a 15 centimeter diameter and comes with a polished finish that gives it a really smooth, realistic moon-like look. Designed to mimic the appearance of the moon, it's made from polypropylene, so it's lightweight yet durable. The lamp is also rechargeable, which means no hassle with batteries. Just plug it in, and you're good to go. Cut to close-up of lamp. And of course, the standout feature. It's a 3D moon with 7 color options. You can choose from 7 vibrant colors to match your mood or style. And with a simple touch switch, it's easy to cycle through the colors. Segment 2. Now, let's get into the experience of actually using this lamp. The 3D design is mesmerizing. When lit, it gives off a soft glow that's calming and perfect for winding down at night. It's not too bright, which is great for a bedroom setting, but it's enough to provide a nice ambiance. Cut to shots of different color options. The variety of colors adds a fun twist. Whether you're looking for a warm yellow light for a cozy feel or a cooler blue to create a serene atmosphere, this lamp lets you switch it up. And it's not just for adults, it's perfect for kids' rooms too. The gentle light helps them feel comfortable as they fall asleep. All right, let's get to the pros and cons. First, the pros. 1. Beautiful design. The 3D moon texture is incredibly detailed and realistic, adding a unique charm to any room. 2. Color options. 7 colors mean you're not stuck with just one look. You can personalize it every night. 3. Rechargeable and eco-friendly. The rechargeable design means no constant battery purchases, which is convenient and better for the environment. On-screen text. Cons. Now for the cons. 1. Not super bright. This lamp is more for ambiance than for lighting up a whole room. It's best suited as a nightlight or a decorative element. 2. Touch sensitivity. The touch switch can be a bit too sensitive at times, which might be a small hassle if you're adjusting it frequently. Segment 4. So, is the Desidia 3D moon night lamp worth it? If you're looking for a decorative piece that adds a unique and calming vibe to your space, I'd say absolutely. It's an eye-catching lamp that's functional and stylish, making it a great addition to bedrooms, living rooms, or even as a gift. Final shot. Host with the lamp in the background. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you found this review helpful, please like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you'd like to see more product reviews. Until next time, keep your space glowing. Hope this helps. Let me know if you want any adjustments to fit your channel's vibe.